हाँ यार, I have used a phone with a broken screen.
Definitely yes.
मुझे ना 1 महीना लग ही गया था स्क्रीन ठीक कराने में.
No, definitely no. Because I'll tell you, wherever I'm going, it is actually an embarrassment for me to carry that broken screen everywhere.
नहीं यार, टूटा हुआ स्क्रीन लेके चलना कितना एम्बेरसमेंट होता है और हर कोई टोकता है.
Not at all, because going outside the market, comparing the rates, visiting many shops, then actually it is a very tedious process. Really? This is so interesting.
All you have to do is visit the ScreenPro website, enter your location and phone model, and it instantly shows you the price. Then you choose a date and time slot for the repair service as per your convenience.